Hey guys, Samsung's Galaxy Note series is so strong that even the Note 7's battery disaster of 2016 remained unsuccessful to demolish brand's reputation. As of now, it looks like the QWERTY giant Apple is also greatly inspired by Samsung's Note series and may copy at least one of its features in its upcoming iPhone 10 Plus. As suggested by Rosenblatt analyst Jung Zhang, reported by Apple Insider, the analyst notes that Apple will launch at least 3 new iPhone models in 2018. The lineup will consist of two OLED versions with 5.8 and 6.5-inch displays, alongside a 6.1-inch LCD low price version, which we talked about in that video. So for more information, check out that video's link in the description box below. According to Jun Zhang, the larger 6.5-inch OLED model will be positioned at a far higher price and will have some slightly unusual features. The company stated that it will support the iPen, which could be a reference to the Apple Pencil or similar device we have seen in the news, though the accessory will not be included in the box with the iPhone. The report also notes that the bigger model will get dual SIM support, a feature that could make it more appealing to China and other markets. The upcoming iPhone 10 Plus will get improved 3D sensors, which consume less battery and make possible new application features. Alongside detailing the almost impossible feature for Apple to put on its iPhones, the analyst also revealed significant features of the three upcoming models. The new iPhone 10 models may also come with improved water resistance, as the current models have an IP67 rating, which means they can be immersed up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. But Apple is looking to push the depth to 10 meters. Apple's upcoming iPhones have been surfacing in rumors for quite a while now, but so far we can't even guess that when the devices are going to be unveiled. So yeah, now let me know what you guys think about the iPhone 10 Plus with a iPen. Let me know in the comments down. And make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos. And I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.